Nah, he feels pretty big. Oh, bugger. Losing, and it feels like a big snapper. Yeah. Maybe not though, because there's lots of them on the bottom. Well, look who we have here. Okay, we are out off the kayak again. We actually haven't been out for like a week at least, probably. I don't know, for a while anyway. The weather's looking alright today, and people with boats have been going out because it's been fine for them. And yeah, they've been catching kingies. There's kingies everywhere. So I bought some live baiting gear the other day, and that's what we're gonna do. Try to catch a kahawai and then bridle rig it and trawl it around the whole time. Try and get a kingy. This bit of reef structure just out there, don't know how well you'll be able to see because the GoPro's on top of my head, but just out there, gee, it's quite close this way. Yeah, want to fish around that. Looks really fishy. Looks like it can be holding a big snapper or a big kingy. Don't know what will hook. Oh bugger, he's in that reef. No. Get out of there. I think he's still in. Oh no, don't know what he is. Might just be a kahawai. If he is, best thing I've actually caught today. Well, anything. But I feel like he's a snapper because it's got a bit of weight to him. I don't know. He's not fighting like a kahawai. Oh, you banger. Nice snapper. Beautiful little snapper. Keep this fella. Okay, let's get a little hook picture and get him in the back on that ice. Nice snapper on that 7-inch, bit of oil colour, gulp soft bait from Berkeley Fishing. Look at that. Can't complain with that. It's about 40 something centimetres. Yeah, get this fella on the ice and get back down there. I'm hoping it's a kahawai, but I think it's a snapper. Yeah, a little snap. There we go. Nice fish. Well, not massive, but snapper nonetheless. Keep this fella, gonna get a feed, then chuck the rest back. He didn't fight very hard. I was hoping as a kahawai because I want to stick one out as a livey. But won't complain because it's dinner. 7-inch, better oil colour. Okay, hooked something big-ish. Oh, he went up for a bit of a run at the start. It's not massive, I don't think, actually. Oh, he's still pretty boisterous, it seems. Oh no, he's got a bit of weight to him. Not lots, but nah, he feels pretty big. Oh bugger, he's in those weeds. Drag ain't too tight on them. It feels actually better than I thought he would be. Well, I don't know what he's gonna, how big he's gonna be. But one. Solid little snapper there. Nice fish. Are we gonna keep him or let him go? Might give him a quick weigh. If he's under 10, which I think he will be, then we'll keep him. I want a bit of a feed. I reckon he'll be around 8 pounds. It's my estimate, 8. Could be a bit bigger, but or he could be smaller. Don't know. 8 pounds, I reckon, is gonna be a good guess. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, bang on 8, bruh. Nice. 8 pound fish. Keep this one. Alright, nice clear photo. Oh, sheepers. He's got a bit of grunt to him. There we go. Nice fish. Mean on that. Bit of oil colour, 7-inch. Smoked it on the bottom while I was just sitting there. Yeah, boy. Can't complain with that. Bit of oil colour does the job. I would recommend this colour for your tackle box. Any green colour around reef structure, I just find this dark green colour here, bit of oil, work really good around seaweed. So yeah, I might make a video if you guys want me to make a video explaining what soft baits are good for different areas. Let me know in the comments and I will try and make a video. I'll just be like, show the best size and colour for each species and spot that I figured anyway. Just give me my opinion. Okay. Gonna do a bit of a switcheroo with this the soft bait colour. I'm going with Flamingo Flash. It's getting a little bit later in the day. This soft bait right here has been used before and its tail is a little bit missing. It's only a teeny bit off it. It has got us a 16 pounder before, so let's see if this soft bait is the lucky one and it can get us our biggest one yet. I'm thinking 30 to 40 pounds would be nice. You want to rig them quite naturally. Look at that. That thing swimming around the water. That'll do the job. Just because its tail's a little bit missing, ain't gonna do anything. This thing here will rip those big dogs out. Anyway, first cast with the Flamingo Flash. Let's see what happens, eh? This would be a nice spot to dive around, I reckon. Nice rock. This is a perfect spot for kingies up in here though. Looks mean. We're just gonna start hitting back. No more action. Real slow out here. Just this time of the year when everyone comes up for the holiday, it's actually bad fishing. So they come at the wrong time for fishing, which fine by me, means they don't get plundered. But yeah, sadly that means it wasn't that good fishing today. It was, I reckon, a mixture of, I don't actually know, but I know for one thing is it's so clear that's probably one of the main reasons it's not so good. But we're gonna head in, chill the kingfish lure on the way back, so if we have any action, that will be popping up very soon. But if we don't, then I'll be seeing you at the beach or by the beach somewhere. I have some really good news. There is thousands, if not millions, of fish at the bottom. Literally, I don't know what they are, but they're putting a good fight up. So it's letting the soft bait go down to the bottom. Once it hits the bottom, oh, something's picked it up on the drop. I've hooked the mysterious beast that I keep hooking up to and losing, and it feels like a big snapper. Shit. Maybe not though, because there's lots of them on the bottom. It could be a king, to be fair. I don't know. I don't think it's a kingfish, but there could be something big hanging at the bottom of the bait skiff. It could be just a kawa. Heaps of weight to it. I really want to know what it is. There's lots of it down there. It's got, actually, you know what I reckon it is? It's a trevally. That's how exciting. Yeah, there's trevally underneath them. This is what I reckon it's a trevally. Now I've got my bets on it's a trevally. Oh no, it's a good snap. Pizza. I was so confident it was a trevally. No, it ain't. It's a poi. Wow. Okay. Interesting. I wasn't expecting him. He's a big boy though. Should I keep him? Yeah, we'll keep him. Yo! Gee, he's a good size one. Look at that. Yo! On that flamingo flashed off, but yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's pretty cool. Don't get these very often, especially not the size. I don't reckon anyway. Hopefully we've got a good photo, because I want to show you what he looks like. Okay, he's going home. I was going to keep him, but I reckon there'll be plenty more fish down there. Let's get this fella in the water. Yeah, let's send them home, eh? I had to do one last quick drop, just because I felt like it, and wow, don't know what we've hooked up to. Could just be a carway, but I'll be happy with that. Nice raw fish. She feels like a snapper. It is on the drop. Cheer. You don't need to know where this jig's from. Well, you can do. It's from Temu. I got 3 jigs, 1 cent, so I ain't complaining. If the hooks bend, they bend. Okay. Nice, give them a quick bleed out. It's always good to just cut the get the blood out of them. Oh, did I? Yeah, I did it. Always do that. That just keeps the meat lasting longer and tastes even better. Yes. Nice. Stick them in the back and drop straight back down. Cannot complain with that. Back on shore. That wind's actually just picked up and it's absolutely nasty. I mean, we had no wind while I was out there. As it was getting in, it picked up quite strong. Let's lay the fish out. Well, first gut them and I'll lay them out on the filleting table at home. There we go. That's the final catch. A few nice ones there. They've been on ice, so yeah, they're nice and chilled down. Yeah, it's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment down below what you would like us to do next.
Come on, guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.